But for now, I'm bullish on the day. But I'm thinking a little bit that we might have a fake out back to the downside, potentially. Would you take that move down to liquidity? Potentially. If a setup appears, then maybe. Again, like we still are in this downtrend here, so this could just be a push for liquidity to take out buy side and then push back down. So we'll see what happens here. Market just opened, and we'll be watching. Have some liquidity at 4020, which is up here. That's about it. Not really much else I'm seeing so far. Just going to let the market play out. Again, we have PMI news in 30 minutes, so most likely we could just see potential chop until then. But if we do see a play, we can try to take a stab beforehand, but most likely we'll wait for news to come out. You can see there really hasn't been any clear market structure shift. It's just kind of been straight up, straight down. There's no really swing low that's been taken, right? Even on the 1 minute time frame, I wouldn't really consider this a market structure shift, right? It's too small, or this market structure shift. Potentially this, but again, would want to see a low be created here for us to come back up and then break it. Now we might have a push for liquidity at the open and then potentially want to head back higher. We're going to be very, very patient today. Sort of have this little order block here as well on a 30-minute time frame that we could bounce off of, but I kind of want to see this low being taken out. Honestly, this would be considered market structure shift on a bigger time frame, right? Like a 30-minute time frame, we have liquidity taken, bigger time frame, SMT, bigger time frame. This would be market structure shift, and then I would like to see potential fair value gap to head down to this 4-hour order block and maybe these lows here. That's what I'm most likely going to watch for. I'm going to draw this in because this is the 15-minute. So we have a 15-minute breaker block here as well as this 15-minute fair value gap. See if we'll bounce off this or go straight down into the sell side. You usually wait 10 minutes in, right? Most of the time, there's still some plays that I've taken earlier, but again, most of the price action I trade comes like 30 minutes to 45 to an hour or after market open. But you know, recently it's been like in the afternoon. All the good setups, like in the last week and a half to 2 weeks, have been in the afternoon, which is weird. Justin, let's trade the news. Just tell everyone that this ain't financial advice. Motherfucker, every trade I take is not financial advice. We are patient little birdies. Patient little birdies on a pond. 15-minute is bouncing off this fair value gap in this breaker block. Again, no clear market structure shift on a smaller time frame. But if we look at a 15-minute, this looks good for market structure right here. And then I'd want to see us come down to these lows here, potentially. Let's take a look at NQ. Want to draw in this same thing for NQ. We have this breaker block that we're bouncing pretty strong off of now. NQ is looking pretty strong. Did want to take a look at DXY as well. DXY is looking bullish. Actually, I want to see DXY take out this low first, so ES could potentially head higher still. But we have these equal highs on DXY that'll act as a magnet, so we could definitely just take those out right now. We'll see. Honestly, best guess, since the market's been weird lately, I'm just gonna say we fucking skyrocket. we're holding this this area pretty nicely. Yeah, he doesn't get the news before anyone else does. And most of the time, the news doesn't really matter what news it is. It'll affect the market in whatever way that market makers want it to fucking affect the market. Have a nice rejection here on this fair value gap in this order block. Break a block. Break a block. Right now, there's no really good indication of what the break of structure would be. That's why I'm looking at a 15-minute time frame. I would consider this to be the break of structure here, because we have, you know, push down, liquidity swept. You know, there's a relative high here. So liquidity swept on a smaller time frame, liquidity swept on a bigger time frame. Push up, and then now are coming back down. Want to see this get broken first, so this is what I'm watching for here. I want to see this get broken, and then it come back to fair value gap, and then a push lower, potentially. But if we hold this level, we could still, you know, continue back higher. Again, I think we're just gonna chop until until news. So just waiting for PMI right now, guys. Until ES breaks his high here, and this SMT will still be valid. Again, guys, right now, just being very, very patient, letting the market kind of set up for us. Again, we're waiting for news. We don't want to trade anything before news. 4 minutes. We are flying. Again, no FOMO. I could give less of a fuck that we are moving up right now. Low-key kind of expecting, like on a bigger time frame, what I'm kind of expecting is like, I want us to go back like into this. We have this 4-hour fair value gap. I kind of want to see liquidity taken from this high right here. So I want to see this high kind of get taken, or at least like, you know, pushed up above, and then I kind of want to see us go back bearish, because this level hasn't been taken out. Like this is our big sell side level, right? So kind of want to see us push in back into this fair value gap, take out liquidity, and then come back lower. But at the same time, this level's been taken. I kind of want to look at a weekly chart. I just want to understand, you know, where we are right now. I think weekly closes here. So I think this weekly closes. We create this weekly fair value gap here, and then weekly opens up into this. Monday, we have a strong push upward, continuation, and then the rest of the week we sell back off. That's my prediction right there. Keep it in your head. That's it right there. Weekly fair value gap gets created to the downside. Market structure shift here. Pull back into the fair value gap. Monday, we get a push to the upside just for it to fake out, and we sell off the rest of the week. Boom. News in 2 minutes. So now, if we do sell off, market structure shift would be here. So I'm going to take all this shit off. I know that our edge works. Cool. Dope. This would be market structure shift. Let's see what this high is on NQ. So NQ's already broke this high here now. ES has now broken this high. So could form SMT if NQ, you know, gets a little bit more of a push up though. But here we go. News comes out in 1 minute. Let's see what happens. Look at how fast the orders come in and disappear. Again, guys, just waiting. Just waiting. Could honestly consider this to be market structure shift as well. So kind of want to be careful and wait, see what happens. Again, kind of want to be careful taking any shorts though, since we are very bullish. Honestly, news is not creating a lot of action that I thought it would, to be honest. We'll see if anything else comes in, but right now, it's pretty fucking lame. Was expecting bigger movement. Again, have a lot of volume coming in though. right, I kind of want to consider this market structure shift. There we go. Bigger volume starting to come in now. Again, this is exactly what I want to see here. Liquidity taken on a smaller time frame. Market structure shift on a smaller time frame. Now I want to look for fair value gap here. Again, we also have this breaker block here I'm going to mark in here. Would want to see a little bit more displacement through this though. Now have this 1 minute fair value gap here that I'm down to take a stab short on. I want to see this level hold here though. I want to see this level hold. Again, bigger time frame, this would be market structure shift here. But I want to kind of write it down to this level if we get an opportunity to. So, going to be looking for a potential entry here to go short in this fair value gap. Want to see this candle close though, and then a push back up. I'm going to go ahead and get short here. I'm going to go ahead and get short here. My first price target is going to be this sell side liquidity here. My stop loss, I'm going to try to keep it pretty tight here. I'm going to put it at the top of this wick at 4010.25. 4010.25. I'm in short here. Stop here. First price target here. I'm filled at 4006.5. So perfectly right there. Would want to see a sell-off now. Again, my stop is at 4010.25. Want to see that continuation push to the downside here now. Want to see those sellers start to step in here now and continue to push this down. There we go, nice push here. I'm gonna scale around three quarters of my position here. So around 75% of my position, I'm gonna scale out once we get to this level. Nice sell off. Let me get that big push down now. I want to see us take out this level here. Again, being very, very patient, just letting this sort of play out here. First price target is 399.25. There we go, baby. Boom. Selling position here. Nice trade here, guys. Again, just letting the rest run now. Have this 1 minute fair value gap. Want to see this hold here. Next TP is going to be this low here at 399.3.25. I'd set my stop loss to break even here, guys. Set my stop to break even now. Again, want to see a continuation push through this. This could be sell side getting swept here, right? We have a sell side swept now, big bounce up, so I want to see us continue down. More selling pressure starting to come in here. I want to see that big flush. Again, no market structure shift yet here on a bigger time frame. This level, no displacement through this yet. Alright, I'm stopped out right there, guys. On my runners. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful risk management.